So hello guys, I am Surbhi and today I'll show you how you can draw this beautiful mandala from scratch. So if you're a beginner then keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. So as you can see, this mandala is divided in 3 portions. So this mandala is a little different. So now let's begin. So firstly we need to mark 4 circles. So place your scale like this and grab your pencil and then start marking half centimeter apart. So mark at 0.5 centimeters each. And the outermost circle of this mandala will be 8 centimeter. So mark till 8 centimeter. So now we have completed marking. We are going to draw each circle half centimeter apart. So now grab your compass and pencil and draw all these circles. So we have completed drawing all the circles and now it's time to draw grid for the mandala. Grab your scale and place it like this on the center and then draw a line. So we are going to divide the circles in 4 parts. So draw 2 lines like this to divide the circles into 4 parts. Then place your protector on these 3 lines like this. Place it on the right angle and then start marking at 10 degrees. Mark at 10 degrees each. So we just need to mark at one side. If you want you can do the same on the other side, but you don't need to. So grab your scale and then place it like this and draw the lines. So we are going to draw lines like this. So place your pencil on the center like this and connect all these points to the center like this. And if you want detailed video on how to draw mandala grid, then you can check the description. I'll drop the link in the description. I have made a detailed video about how you can draw grid. So the grid is completed now and we will start to draw our mandala. So start by drawing the center design. Firstly draw first and second circle with pen. And then fill this completely. And now we will start to draw patterns. So in the first row we are going to use 2 grid lines and 2 circles and draw one long petal. So use 2 grid lines and 2 circles and draw one long petal like this. We are going to draw long petals in this row using 2 grid lines and 2 circles. Then draw a line and a dot in these petals. Draw a line and a dot. So draw line in the first circle and dot in the second one. So let's complete this row. Then in the second row again we are going to use 2 grid lines and 2 circles and draw one rounded petal like this. So use 2 grid lines and 2 circles and draw a rounded petal. Then double the lining of these rounded petals. Double the lining and now we will draw pattern. So draw petals like this in this row. So draw petals, then draw a line and a dot and fill the remaining space. So draw petals like this. Draw 2 petals and draw a line and a dot, fill the space. I'll show you another one. Double the lining and then draw 2 petals like this. Then draw a line and a dot and fill the gap. So let's complete this row. So here we are ending the first portion of our mandala. So draw this circle, the next circle with pen. And now we will start drawing second portion of this mandala. So we will start the second portion of our mandala. So use 2 grid lines and 2 circles and draw petals like this. and then double the lining of the petal. Use two grid lines and two circles to draw a petal like this, and then double the lining of the petal. Then draw a line in the middle and at one side draw lines like this, and at another side draw diagonal lines like this. Draw a line in the middle and at one side draw straight lines, and at another side draw some diagonal lines. So we are going to complete this row by using this simple pattern. So now let's complete this row. And also, if you want, you can draw diagonal lines at both sides. You can customize your patterns as per your choice. Then for the next row, use 3 of these circles and 2 of the grid lines and draw one pointed petal like this. Then double the lining of the petal. Then start drawing petals like this in these petals in opposite directions. So draw petals at both sides like this. We are going to draw 5 petals in this like this. Then draw a line and a dot in all these petals, and then fill the space between two petals. So fill the space between all these petals. This is the pattern for this row. So this is a little advanced pattern. I'll show you another one. So draw a pointed petal using 3 circles and 2 grid lines. Then double the lining like this, and then draw petals in these petals. So draw total 5 petals like this. Then draw line and dot in each petals, and then fill the gap between all these petals. So we are going to complete this row by using this pattern. This is a little advanced, so be patient with this pattern. So this row is also completed. Now here we are ending the second portion of our mandala. So we are going to draw this circle with pen, like completing this. So draw this circle and fill this gap between two petals by drawing lines. So draw lines and fill the gap between these two petals. So we are going to complete this row with this pattern. Keep drawing this circle and draw lines. So this is completed. And then we need to draw more circles. So mark like this as I am marking. And the 3 circles we marked, draw these 3 circles with pen. So let's draw these 3 circles with pen. So after drawing these circles, start making patterns. So in this circle, we are going to draw small circles like this, and then fill the gap between circles. So keep drawing circles in this row. and we will complete this row by drawing these circles. And then in the last row use two of these circles and then draw one long petal like this, and then draw another petal in this, like double the lining, and then fill this completely. So this is the pattern for the last row. So draw petal like this, then double the lining and fill this completely. So draw two petals in a grid line, and we are going to complete our mandala like this. So now just erase all the extra lines you can see in this mandala, like the lines you have drawn with pencil. And now this is the final look of our mandala. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and also tell me what kind of tutorials I should make next. And if you are someone who wants to learn mandala from scratch, you can learn it from my beginners mandala course. I'll drop the link in the description, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.